Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about getting started with HTML. So it's been a long time we are talking about things related to web development. Now it's the time to get started with web development. So in this video we are going to write some HTML code and I will show you what are the various different terms in HTML. Now before starting with HTML, just keep a point of these few things. First, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is not a programming language, but it is a markup language. It does not require any logic, but it is used for writing the structure of any website. For creating a website, the structure is very important. So the first step is writing the structure of any website by using HTML. Now after we create the structure of HTML, we use the CSS to decorate it. So in this video course we will be covering HTML and CSS by each and every different video which will be focusing on it. Now HTML language is pre-written and it is written in the form of tags. For example, one tag is written by two greater than and equal, greater than and less than sign, and in between this opening tag and closing tag the content is put between the tags.
Okay, so in this video, let us get our hands dirty with writing some HTML stuff. For this long time, we are just talking about all the theoretical aspects of web development. So in this video, I'm going to actually teach you how to write some HTML stuff. Now this video will be focused at very basics level, but don't worry, we will level up soon. So for using this project, I'm going to use the brackets text editor, and if you wish, you can use bracket text editor, and you are also free to use any other text editor of your choice. Now if you want to use brackets text editor, go to Google and search brackets.io and you will simply get this website. It is an open source software and you can use it and you don't have to pay any amount of rupees for this. I already installed it, so I'm not going to waste time over this, and it is a simple installation process, so you can look and you can install it. After installing, in brackets we need to create a project folder upon which the whole project will be focusing. Here I have already created a folder which is our project folder, which is saved by the name of HTML, as you can see. Now for selecting any particular folder in HTML, here we are having the option of open folder, and inside the open folder you can manually select the folder which you have assigned or in which you want to work. So I have created a folder as HTML and here I will select this HTML folder. By doing this, this folder will be selected in my project list. Now after this, I need to create an HTML file, and this can be done by the process of new file, and after any name we have to give it the extension of .html so that it will be specified that it is an HTML file. Now first of all, I'm going to write a doctype HTML tag. It is not having any meaning. We have to just simply write it. So doctype and HTML. Now after this, I will give the HTML tag in the starting. Now you will notice one fun thing, that as soon as I close this, I get a immediate closing tag. This is the speciality of most of the text editors, that whenever we write a tag, we automatically get the closing tag so that we may avoid the error while intense code. So this will avoid us to write any error, and it will allow us to help a good code. These are the advantages of text editor, as I told you. Now inside this, we need to give our website some title. Now for this we will use the head tag. The head tag will contain further a tag which is called as the title tag. So head, and inside this head tag we will put another tag which is the title tag, and inside this title we can write the heading for our website, and let us give it my first web page. So this will create a website which will have nothing but just a heading of my first web page. Now for writing content for our website, we have to use another separate tag which is called as the body tag. Now inside body tag we also have different types of tag which we used for putting content. So in this video I'm just focusing on one simple tag, and I will get introduced with new tags. So here I will use the heading tag which starts with just H, and it offers numbers from 1 to 6. So here we have 1 to 6 numbers and you can use any of them. So let us use H1, and inside H1 I'm going to write anything like starting HTML or anything you wish. Starting HTML will be good. So what this will do, it will create an empty website having a title of my first web page and having a heading of starting HTML. We know that this is a very basic stuff. Don't worry, we will soon increase our level in the upcoming videos. Now we need to check how our website is actually looking in the browser. So there are two methods. Either directly go to your desired folder, which is the HTML folder, which is right here, and inside this select your HTML file. This is normal method, but I'm going to tell you another good method, which is the live preview method. The speciality of live preview method is that it will directly telecast what is written in our HTML file to a web page. See, it is a very good method and I will recommend you to use this method. So we can access the live preview method by selecting this icon, and once you will click this icon, what will happen that we will be redirected to a web page. Now here we will see an empty web page with the title of the first web page and the heading of starting HTML. So just like this. Now it is a very useful product while we are writing some intense code. Now you see in the upcoming videos we are going to focus on more how to write some good HTML code and how to fill this body tag with more tags. So in this video I will not focus on more tags, and I will suggest that we should rather end this video on this very beginning note. So